Guys, welcome back to the channel and a new video. We're down at Silverlake in Southampton today. As you guys know, looking for salvage, it is getting harder and harder. So we've actually looked online and it looks like they've got a lot of stuff in stock here. So Chris is just heading in now. We don't know, we haven't been here before, so we don't really know how it works. So he's going to head in there, get us booked in, and we're going to view a couple of bits of salvage here and hopefully look for some parts. You know, we need those headlights for that Astra, so we can have a good look for those while we're here. But look at this setup. We've just pulled up. It was a bit overwhelming. Sorry guys, there's just a couple of people walking out there. I didn't want to get them on the video. But yeah, lovely setup. My favourite in there, look. Can you see that? Harley. We'll have a look at that as well. I'll let Chris get signed in. He'll come back out, and I think he's going to ask if we can do a bit of videoing as well. Chris has just given me the thumbs up there, guys, so I don't know if that means they've got the parts or whether we're allowed to film.
Yeah, good news.
Yeah?
I've got a pair of headlights, I reckon.
Oh, and what about...
More than a pair, I've got several, I reckon.
What about filming?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, got to have a mask on to go through. I didn't realise, I thought the parts would be off the shelf. They're on the car.
Oh, are they?
So they've lent us some tools.
And the salvage yard, I told you where it is. The salvage.
Can't film it.
Oh, we can't
film the braking, yeah.
Oh, so we're allowed to film in the breakers yard bit, guys, but we're not allowed to film the salvage cars. That's probably because of the number plates.
I don't know. You just
Yeah.
they can't film it.
Let's go in. Wow. Oh, they got all the measures in place for COVID. Guys, look at that. First thing I've seen when Harley. Look how lovely that is. All the alloy wheels there, all stacked up for sale. There's batteries there behind it. I'll cut here, guys, till we get right through.
Astra headlights. Okay. Spoke to one of your colleagues, he said you got two out there. We do. It's just plastic cars on the right hand side. So basically we've got all the map here, so you're here. Yeah. We go down to CO4 and CO5, and there'll be the parking bays with the car in there. If you want to take one of those, to give you an idea. Lovely. And if you do find a part,
another bloke just about half hour ago left there
block, which is that bit there, it's transit concrete.
Yeah, that's it. Still saying it's in front.
And then the parking brake, and what we've taken. And what you've taken just to... If you have any problems, please call back. Or place a lot. Take this, just straight through. Yeah, I'll take you through.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a process. Have you got to fill a form in?
If we find any parts suitable, take them off.
I'll cut here, guys, and let Chris explain that to me. And then I'll... actually, go on, yeah.
No. So, we've got a map.
Yeah.
We're here. We're here.
Yeah.
He said down in the C section here. So...
Oh, there's all numbers on the floor.
So, if we find anything, we've got to write down where it was and what we've taken. We can take a trolley.
That's brilliant, isn't it?
It's a bit of a setup, isn't it?
And he lent you tools?
Yeah, I think we thought the parts would be off the car. You got the trolley?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want
Hey, if you take the trolley, because I'm going to show some of these cars before we get there. Subarus. They look like Mazdas or something, don't they? Yeah, Mazdas, Hondas. Oh, everything's in order.
You said there's about 350 cars out here, so...
My God, look at all those cars in the background. Alfa Romeos. Guys, I will cut in once we stop, because that trolley is probably really loud, what Chris is pulling there. I'll wait till we get to the Vauxhalls and cut back in.
I'll go and find them and then you...
Yeah, okay, mate. Yeah, thank you. Chris has always got the good ideas, hasn't he? I've never been to a breaker's yard like this, guys. Never. See all these numbers on the floor? Minis. Jaguars. Look how neat and tidy everything is. I can't believe it. And more around this side. Smart, Peugeot, Mercedes, BMW. Chris, I can't believe how neat and tidy all this is. I've never seen anything like this, ever. Yeah, completely different league. Is this the Vauxhalls then?
Yeah, Courses here.
Oh, and Astra's there. Sorry?
Yeah.
Guys, look how many cars there is here. Wow.
I'll leave that there for a minute.
I can't see any Astra K's.
All early, aren't they?
These look really early, yeah. Yeah, there's not one here. Maybe they got another row. There's all late courses behind now.
Never walk down the courses and see.
I'll have a cut here and then we'll try and find the car, guys. Guys, I'm standing here guarding the trolley and the tools. Chris is just over there looking for a later model. So hopefully we can find one.
Okay, can I help you with something?
We're looking for some late Astra headlights, like 65 reg. The guy said that you had some, but...
Yeah, have you tried our full service counter? We've got lots of parts on the shelf.
Oh, have you?
Yeah,
Chris!
check this one.
Sorry, this guy's... He said, come in, they've got some on the shelf.
Yeah, I think this is too old.
Oh, thank you, we'll come in.
That's fine, no
How
problem.
about that, guys? I'm going to be honest, guys. I've never seen anything like that. That guy there is just randomly walking around this yard, supervising, just checking on people. I've just had a chat with him. I was like, what, do you stand out here all day? He went, yeah, there's always a member of staff around to help if you need help with anything. He said, we got plenty of bits on the thousands of parts already off the cars, ready to go on the counter. So we're now heading back in and going to a counter. Chris did ask if we can film. Hopefully they're all right with the extreme that I am filming. Guys, look, all book packs of Vauxhall, BMW, VAG, French, Ford. Loads more there. Look at all those radios. They've got everything here. Chris has gone round to that parts counter. Chris, I've got an old one in the boot. Would I better off bring...
just seeing what they got first.
Okay.
And if they got some.
Yeah, we've got a couple there.
Oh.
If you've got your old ones, if you want to bring them in, we can check them.
I'll go and grab it.
They match up.
All right, brilliant. Yeah, guys, they got the headlights, both of them. Chris is just speaking to one of the members of the staff here, telling them about the YouTube channel. I think they wondered why we was filming. But you've got both of those headlights, both exactly the same, yeah?
Yeah, we've got the other side.
Perfect. So, Chris is talking to this lady here, asking if we can have a look around at some other stuff. So, fingers crossed, guys. Oh, it's good old Chris. I can't believe it. I was sitting there sorting out that headlight, matching it up. He was chatting to a lady there and said, oh yeah, you know, we've got a YouTube channel and all that. And she went, oh, you're filming for the YouTube channel? So we said, yeah. And she said, oh, I'll see if one of our lads is available to show you around our 25,000 items.
I think she said
35,000. They've got them all on the shelf. So fingers crossed we're going to go in there and we'll capture a lot of that as well. Check this out.
Engines are on the bars. Gearboxes down the end of the differentials on the left hand side.
It's different.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. Never.
More wheels that go down to the end.
Do you sell wheels singly or just sets?
We do sets that are for sale in the showroom. We do single individuals. Obviously, you don't damage a set of wheels at a time.
No, that's right. Yeah.
We've got a lot more parts upstairs. You can have a look upstairs as
Is
well.
that all right?
Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
Brilliant.
Wow.
All of our aircon pumps, brake calipers, starter motors and alternators. All of the heavy items are close to the stairs, so we don't travel far. And we've got a new stores area being built to hold more panels, parts.
Do you want to go in front of me, Chris? Wow. Oh my God. How many panels have you got here?
We hold about 10,000 panels and 25,000 parts.
Wow.
We're just building a new stores at the back of the yard as well, which are holding another 10,000 panels.
I've never seen nothing like this. How organised and tidy and lovely does that look? This is a new bit here, you say?
This will be a new bit, yes. So this will house all the bumpers and spare wheels, and it goes all the way back down to the end.
It's too much to take in here. I'm going to have to slow this video down to watch it myself.
10,000 pounds.
Chris, look how neatly stacked everything is.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Forklift and drop a rack up there with all the new parts on. Ready bin image, ready to go onto the shelf.
It's a good setup.
And then we put them away on the shelf, ready for the customer.
I can't believe this is amazing. I'm gobsmacked. I am honestly speechless. Yeah, it is. Wow. I'll cut here, guys, till we get back out. You got another flight of stairs? Did you?
Another flight of stairs. Would have got upstairs and look again, yeah?
3-story.
3-story.
How lovely is this, guys, to get shown around something like this? This doesn't happen very often.
Upstairs,
Look at the size of those brakes.
Lamborghini and Ferrari parts.
Oh, my kind of area. Oh, wow. Wow.
Motors installed in boxes, radio CD players, steering racks and radiators, trim panels and glove boxes, wiper arms and motors. And then you come into the motorbike stores.
Motorbikes?
Motorbike stores, all these motorbike parts, panels, fuel tanks, forks, exhausts, sports exhausts.
Wow. I've never seen anything like this. I'm truly lost for words. How organised and lovely and tidy everything looks. So you can just order something online and then it just gets picked from here, from these little barcodes.
Yeah, so if you order something online, it comes through to us via an email.
I know.
We scan it, tag it, put it in the box, and send it this way.
I noticed that in the yard, everything's written in rows, and so are these as well. So, where to next?
We've got the panels area. If you want to the panels?
Yes, please. Yeah. Cut there for a sec, guys. Taking us down the panel place. Look at all those backlights. Literally hundreds both sides there. Guys, look at this. I think they've got everything here. Everything you'd need.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Bumpers installed on the top.
Yeah.
Still got more gearboxes.
So how do you get the stuff down?
We've got a special lift.
Right.
We've got gearboxes for electronic vehicles coming into fashion.
Oh, I thought he was checking on someone on a forklift. Sorry, I didn't realise it's a special lift.
There's our lift.
Oh,
We're
mate.
going to get the door down now.
Well, he's not scared of heights, is he?
No, he's pretty good at
Up and down all day.
That's a good setup.
That is very good, isn't it?
We've adapted the front of them so it holds the door better.
Clever stuff.
There's your door.
That's fantastic,
it's
isn't
good-
it?
good setup,
That's brilliant. Have a little. Is it all right to have a look down here? Is that okay?
The tailgate section. So mostly tailgates and boot lids.
Guys, look at all that. It just goes on and on and on.
Collection bay behind you, it's all the way to custom collection.
What, all of...
All the engines and gearboxes will be sold, wrapped and strapped, ready for the pallet company to come and take them away.
Oh, really? Do you not have trouble, like, sending panels out? We've never really had no luck with buying panels online and having them delivered?
We don't deliver them by courier. We've got our own vans. We have vans that go up and down the country, and we deliver our own panels on vans.
Oh, do you?
So we don't have any issues with delivery and damage.
What about we're in Kent?
Yeah, we go to Kent 3 times a week. Do you want to see the packing area?
Yes, please.
Sure, come on.
Bloody hell. It's just taking me round to the dispatch area. Chris is, you can see him in the background, chatting away.
So when the doors come down from the stores area on the lift, they get put onto a trolley like this, which prevents chips on the bottom of the door.
Oh, the rubber mat,
We've
yeah.
designed it with a rubber mat, yeah, so we can take them around pretty easy.
What's all this bit here?
This is going to be a new conveyor belt system, so the parts can come from the top, all in the boxes, and straight into another box, into DPD, or out on our van.
Oh, really?
Yeah, panels will always go on the van. So it'll come through to this area. They'll package it, put the bubble wrap on or whatever protective gear they need to. And we'll get loaded onto our vans, ready for the road.
And your van's are all out, I see.
Vans are out, and I'll be back about 4 or 5 o'clock.
Oh, perfect. What was your name?
My name's Carlo.
Carlo, thank you very
No
much.
problem.
Thank you,
Sorry.
really appreciate it. Guys, have we found a little gem here at Silverlake? I'd seen them online, but I never really heard nothing about it. And then me and Chris started flicking through for some salvage. And let me just do that window up. Noticed they have 2 auctions a week. They have quite a lot of stuff. So we picked out a couple of cars and said we'll come down and view them. And you heard when I was getting the headlight, that lady was management who he was talking to. Chris was sitting there chatting to that lady. She's management. I think she wanted to know what we was doing, videoing. But we did get previous permission. You did ask first, didn't you?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
obviously she just wanted to know what we was up to. Chris was chatting about the YouTube channel, and she said, I'll get one of our guys to show you around, which was incredible. But I've never seen anything like that in your history. That is one hell of a setup. And
it's the future, isn't it?
It is the future. And for buying like late salvage for us, and it's for the same for everybody that does salvage, even you guys that are watching, it's finding the parts and finding the parts responsibly sourced as well. This is a proper place. And did you see how many bits? For the first time in my life, I was actually speechless. I just didn't know what to say. I wasn't expecting that. When you see the front of the building, in fact, we'll use the front of the building as a thumbnail for this video.
It's too big, mate.
It probably is, yeah. I thought you can see how wide it is, and they've got a tyre bay that I'm looking at right now, and you can see how deep it is. And I thought, that's going to be it. And then I see the yard on the left. They're going to have a couple of yards, but it is, I don't know how many acres it is, but
it's huge.
It is a lot, isn't it? So, yeah, we're definitely going to be making this our go-to place now for late salvage parts. And well, you see there quite a lot of early stuff out there as well. They do, what did they call it? Pick apart. You can turn up and actually take...
That first job we was in,
that's where you take off your own parts. Yeah. But you can actually, they said they got an eBay shop. You can come in here and go to the counter, give them... Online shop. They just pretty much got everything. So we're definitely grateful. We're going to make this our go-to place, and we did get our headlights, and 10% they give us off of that. Chris was chatting to that lady. She said, well, if you're doing a YouTube video, we'll give us your details. We'll generate just a discount code, and you can put it in your video. So I'm not saying that's definitely, I mean, we haven't got that, but if we do get
by the time the video goes,
yeah, we'll put it in the description down below. But yeah, guys, check them out. We've got our headlights, and we've made a nice extra video for you. As usual, if you do enjoy it, please do give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and it shows your appreciation. Drop us a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you want to see us do another video here, and we're going to get that lady's details so that we can get that discount code as well. What was it called? Discount code, yeah. And yeah, I'm getting excited. I am getting really excited. And we'll ask if we can come back and do another video on a different aspect of it, maybe. So don't forget, please like, subscribe and share. Me and Chris have got a long journey home. We'll see you soon in the next one.